Morning, dear students. Today we will be learning the next 3 questions from the practice set 4.1. Yesterday we have learned first to fourth question. I hope you all understood that 4 question. It is based on the basic concept regarding the GST. Using the same concept, using the same introduction which we have learned yesterday, we will be solving the next question, that is a question number 5. So let us see what is a question number 5. Total value with GST of a remote control toy car is 1770 rupees. Rate of GST is 18% on a toy. Find the taxable value, CGST, SGST, which means we have to find out 3 components. First one is we have to find out the taxable value. Then we have to find out the CGST, and then we have to find out SGST. In a previous 4 question, whatever we have solved yesterday, in that question, taxable value was given and we have to find out the total value. But here, total value is given, we have to find out the taxable value. So whenever we will be finding the taxable value, we will assume the taxable value and apply the same rate of GST on it. We'll make a 2 condition. I hope you all you remember the method which we have learned in a previous standard, that is in method of direct proportion, in which 2 conditions are given, which is constant because same quantity, it have a same quantity. So here let us see the calculation so you will understand it more. Let the taxable value of toy car be 100 rupees. As the taxable value asks to us, let it be 100 rupees, on which we will apply the 18% GST. So what is 18% of 100 rupees? 18 rupees. So in this condition, the total value of the toy will become 100 plus 18, that is 118 rupees. So this is the first condition. We are relating this condition to the question. So now total value is given to be 1770 rupees. The ratio of total value and taxable value is constant because in both the condition 18% GST is applied. For total value of a toy car 118 rupees, taxable value is 100. Therefore total value of toy car of 1770 rupees, let the total value be X. Taxable value be X. So here are the 2 conditions. First condition you have assumed. Second condition is given to you in the question and you have assumed it. When taxable value is 100, total value is 118 because 18% GST is charged. So when already 18% GST is charged, the total value is 1770 rupees. So in this condition, let the taxable value be X. So now we will be converting it into the ratio X upon 1770 equal to 100 upon 118. X is a taxable value when total value was 1770. 100 is a taxable value which we have assumed. When 100 is a taxable value, the total value is 118. So you know how to calculate, how to find out the value of X by multiplying it cross. So when you will calculate it, you will get the answer 1500. So therefore taxable value of toy car is 1500 rupees. As a homework, you have to do the calculation work and see the answer. So 3 things were asked to us in the question: taxable value, CGST and SGST. Now we will see what will be that 2 particular components. Before we find CGST, we should know what is the amount of GST. So you have a total value, you have a taxable value, you can subtract it. Total value minus taxable value, we will substitute both values, we will get the answer 270 rupees. So this is the amount of GST charged. So amount of CGST is half of the amount of GST. Half of 270 is 135 rupees. So amount of SGST is also 135 rupees. So what new thing we learning today is a finding of taxable value. The only basic thing you have to keep in mind that taxable value is found by assuming the taxable value to 100 rupees and applying the same GST which is applied to the total value to the product in the question. So now shall we move to the next question of the practice set, that is question number 6. We'll see what is the question. Tip-Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 ton to a company. Cost of AC supplied is rupees 51,200 rupees with GST, which means it is a total value of that particular product. Rate of CGST on AC is 14%. You have to find out amount as shown in the tax invoice of Tip-Top Electronics. So we will see what are the things which we have to find out. We have to find out the rate of SGST, rate of GST. Again, we have to calculate taxable value, amount of GST, total amount of CGST and amount of SGST. So in each slide we will go one by one and see what will be the each answer. For your first question is rate of SGST. As you can see in a question, the rate of CGST is 14%. So the rate of SGST is equal to the rate of CGST. It will also be equal to 14%. So the rate of SGST on AC is 14%. Your second question is rate of GST on AC. Hence the rate of GST will be equal to CGST plus SGST, that is 14% plus 14%, 28%. Your third question is finding the taxable value of AC. Just now we have found the taxable value in question number 5. We have found the taxable value of toy car. Now here we will find the taxable value by following the same step. We will assume the taxable value of 100 rupees. We will apply the same rate of GST on 100, that is 28%. The cost of AC with GST will become 128 because 28% of 100 is 28 rupees. So 100 plus 28 is 128 rupees. So these are the condition which we have assumed. Now we will relate this to the question. For the total value of rupees 128, the taxable value is 100. So for the total value of rupees 51,200, the taxable value be rupees X. Both the condition is constant because on both the condition 28% GST is applied. Now total value upon taxable value is constant as the rate of GST is same. So total value upon taxable value is equal to total value upon taxable value. We'll multiply it cross. We'll do the calculation. We'll get X is equals to 40,000, which means the taxable value of AC is 40,000 rupees. Your fourth question is total amount of GST. So you have a total value, you have the taxable amount, you will subtract it and you will get the total amount of GST. Total value minus taxable amount, substituting the value 51,200 rupees minus 40,000, we will get 11,200 rupees. So your fifth question is amount of CGST. Amount of CGST is half of the amount of GST. Half of 11,200 is 5,600 rupees. As the amount of CGST is 5,600 rupees, the amount of SGST will also be 5,600 rupees. So in both the question, we have learned how to find the taxable value. We have learned how to find out the amount of C and SGST from GST. Now coming on to the last question of the practice set, that is question number 7. The question is, Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount of 5% was given on the printed price of 40,000 rupees. The rate of GST charged on was 28%. You have to find out the purchase price of washing machine for the customer and the fine amount of CGST and SGST shown in tax invoice. Your question is kind of same, only the new thing which is included here is 5% discount is given on 40,000 rupees. So we will see after getting 5% discount what is a printed price, what is a taxable amount of washing machine. So printed price of washing machine originally is 40,000 rupees. Discount rate of discount is 5%. Now amount of discount will be 5% of printed price, that is 5% of 40,000. So zeros will get cancelled, you will get 2,000, which mean on 40,000 you got 2,000 discount. So what will be the taxable value? It will be 38,000. So taxable value will become printed price minus discount. 40,000 minus 2,000 is 38,000 rupees. So the taxable value of the washing machine is 38,000 rupees. On this 28% GST is charged. So we will see what will be the final cost price, final value of the washing machine after putting the 28% GST on 38,000 rupees. So rate of GST is 28%. As CGST and SGST is asked, we will find out directly that it is 14%, half of it is 14%. So amount of CGST is equals to 14% of taxable value, 14% of 38,000. Zeros will get cancelled. You have to multiply 380 to 14. You will get 5,320 rupees. So as CGST, amount of CGST is 5,320 rupees. Amount of SGST is equal to it. It will be also 5,320 rupees. Now we got the GST amount, we have the taxable value, so we can find out the final purchase price for the customer of washing machine. Purchase price of washing machine is equal to taxable value plus CGST and SGST, that is a GST, amount of GST. So it is 38,000 plus 5,320 plus 5,320, which is 48,640 rupees. So the final purchase price of washing machine is 48,640 rupees. Amount of C and SGST in tax invoice is 5,320 rupees each. So now till here we have completed our practice set 4.1, all the 7 questions. We have learned what is GST, what are the 2 components of GST. The 2 components of GST is CGST and SGST. We have learned what is a taxable value. Taxable value is the value of the product on which tax is been not applied, and the total value of the product is a value on which tax is applied, GST is applied. So this is the basic concept regarding the GST, which you have to revise it. Now for you the homework is you have to practice the calculation part from all the 3 questions. Students are requested to write practice set 4.1 in algebra notebook. All the 7 questions after writing statistic chapter, you have to start writing the chapter number 4 financial planning and start completing your practice set 4.1, all the 7 questions. Thank you.